In this phase, we're going to be working on an azalea. Join me.
I have a few bits of information. Azaleas can come either deciduous or evergreen. Depending on which one you want, they will flower a little bit differently. I picked this beautiful purple. I did not get the big, massive plants to put in the ground. Number one, it's going to be a bigger hole to squeeze into my small garden. Number two, it's going to cost more money, even though it's gorgeous and it has an immediate impact. I wanted to go with something I could afford, an easier hole to dig that I can squeeze into my small garden. These plants do have shallow roots. They're going to need to be watered frequently in well-drained soil. This is Florida. Right here we have some sandy soils. It is going to accomplish well-draining pretty easily. Now, their bloom time is going to be different depending on which one that you buy. Some are February all the way straight through early June. Some are spring, stops, and then fall again. We're going to put compost in the hole. It's recommended that we do 6 inches deeper than the actual pot itself and then 12 inches wider. We'll see how this works. I think we'll be okay. I'll add a little bit of compost at the bottom, but you don't want to fill the hole completely of compost. Also going to use some soil acidifier from Espoma and add in some of that nutrition as well. We're going to apply a mulch on the top, and then pruning is not necessary, but you can do it to have better shape, better size. I'm going to actually pull it away from the house. Do not need to fertilize in midsummer because that's going to make the plant think that it's charging up to put on more growth, and that's going to hinder the plant itself. We're going to slow down the watering in midsummer also, and then we're going to, like I said, add some mulch for the freezes. We have temperatures dropping to the 30s. It's going to warm up throughout the day, so it'll get a little reprieve from that freeze. It's not going to be like winter where it's going to be 30 degrees all day long. So I think this is going to turn out very well. Let's put her in the ground. This is literal sand. So it's going to drain so well, I'm going to really have to be careful to make sure it has enough water. All right, don't bury that crown of the plant. Keep the base of the plant open. Water all the way around your plant so the roots have equal opportunity.